thing to make you feel bad or something. If you feel bad, then you have a small mind, you know. But I don't work with people with small minds, whereby when you're only gonna be looking for the bad things. Ne? Mind you, I've never ever in my life blew an account whereby a client doesn't benefit anything. If I'm lying, someone can come on the live right now if I'm lying and show me and prove. Like I've been telling people before. The only reason why you find out that maybe sometimes I blow an account is because I know that, let's say we've already withdrawn 5,000 or whatever the amount is. You already gain something. So now if I go full margin on this account, if it blows, we can be able to refund. I've got a game plan, strategic. Understand? That is how we bought the crib. That is how we buy the crib, as you can see. Understand? It's the views. Mara, I'm not there. Antoine, I'm not there. But I just want to tell you something. Kuri, why don't you make noise when we are winning? I'm still in shock though. I'm away from the market. That's when it's having a conversation. Why is it that you talk nonsense whenever we're losing? What about when we are winning? Why don't you tell people, hey, we are winning, hey, we are making money? Why is it like that? So from today, I no longer trade an account which is 2,000 rand. Keep your 2,000 rand. Go try a scammer. Go try something. Get scammed. If you want serious money, start from 10,000, and that's not a negotiation. And I'm not negotiating with anyone. Antoine, I'm not negotiating with anyone. If you wanna make serious money, start from 10K. Don't tell me ha, hey, who, ha. I don't wanna hear that. Understand? Ha, hey, who? I don't wanna hear that. Because people think Forex is magic money generator thing. There are no losses. That's another problem. People think this is cup of coffee. Understand? People think this is cup of coffee. Because right now I'm not okay, guys. I'm not okay. I won't lie to you. I'm not okay. You know? I'm not okay. Mara, I'm the best. There's nothing you can do about that. I'm a ghost. There's nothing you can do about that. You know? Bad days don't mean now you're a bad trader. Bad days don't mean a bad week. A bad week doesn't mean a bad month. A bad month doesn't mean a bad year. That's how we live. You know? That's how we live. But now, again. So, I see a request. The request that I'm going to take, you guys, I think... So, I see a request. The request that I'm going to take, you guys, I think it's something related to what I say. If it's not, please do not request. I said, prove me wrong. Or I want anyone who I've done account management for, send a request. Send a request. Just show them your phone. Simple. Show them your phone. Show them how much you've withdrawn. Even if your account is already blowing. Show them how much you've withdrawn. Even if your account is already blowing. Yeah. This network is killing me. So now I'm waiting for request. I don't see any request. So now I'm waiting for request. I don't see any request. So now I'm waiting for request. I don't see any request. Through people. My intention why I create groups is to help you guys. Understand? It's to help you guys be comfortable with whatever service that we have. Whereby if I did account management, I can post it there in the group, you guys can see. And then management, I can post it there in the group, you guys can see. And then can see. And then so I don't care. You can hate me, you can do whatever you wanna do. You understand? There's a group. How did I miss the group? Bro, signal is bad. Hey, I know, Chief. But yeah, the group has been around since 2019. The group has been around since 2019. So I think now is the time we officially delete the group, you know. What's the point of having over 300 people in the group? In another group, you have over 500 people. But from those people, only a minimum of 5 or 10 are communicating with you. The rest, they're not communicating. So basically everyone is on vacation, you know. So if you want to see testimonials, you want to see results, you want to see how we did today, go follow me on Instagram or follow me here on TikTok. I'll post whenever I feel like posting, but mainly you can go follow me on Instagram. That is where I always post on my story. Don't inbox me and tell me, don't you have a group where I can see results? I do not have a group. Simple. You guys think we are playing games here. You guys think what's this thing? You think it's Christmas. You understand? I told you. I'm allergic to people who don't wanna move forward. I'm allergic to people who don't wanna move forward. That's one thing. That is why I'm mad right now. I'm allergic to move forward. That's one thing. That is why I'm mad right now. I'm allergic to people who don't wanna move forward. Right now. I'm allergic to people who don't wanna move forward. So bro, how's it, man? So that's how it is, guys. I'm at a point where don't talk to me if it has nothing to do with money. Simple. Don't talk to me. And another thing why I need to close down all my groups. I don't want anyone to have my number anymore. Only if you're a client, then you can have my number. All those other people, I'm gonna block a whole lot of people today. Don't worry. I'm gonna block every single person. I'm gonna restart you afresh. Even if you're existing, I'm gonna block you. You must inbox me on Instagram. Then I'll re-unblock you there. If you're important. If you're not, sorry, Shab. Understand? Like I say, I don't care what you're gonna say in the comments. Comments don't do anything to me. Understand? So it's either we are working or we are not working, guys. Very simple. We are working or we are not working. What's the point of having Lendo's number? Not working. What's the point of having Lendo's number just to view statuses? Some of you guys are full of jokes, telling me, "Can I have your number just to view statuses?" So viewing my status, how does it help? You can't tell me it's motivate you. Go on my social media, be motivated. Be motivated. Simple. That's how it is. I just block you. This guy who's commenting nonsense, I just block. I don't even reply. Blocked. There he is. He's blocked right now. He's blocked. So it's now, guys, I'm looking for people who want to do serious business, not people who want to take chances in Forex. You understand? Mentorship is there. The system is there. Account management is there. Yeah, I say it. Account management is there because my clients are withdrawing. Even that boy, small boy right there, is not even on my case. Because why? All my clients are winning. The moment I start even on my case, because why? All my clients are winning. The moment I start even on my case, because why? All my clients are winning. The moment I start even on my case, because why? All my clients are winning. The moment I start even on my case, because why? All my clients are winning. The moment I start, just block you. Simple. You talk nonsense, I block you. How good is that? You talk nonsense, I block you. Simple. I don't give a fuck about anyone. I would see your father, hey, he's the chairman of Texas. He's not here. Here you play by my rules. Here you listen to whatever I'm saying. Understand? These are all idiots. These are all people who are hungry. They're dying because of hunger. You'll comment like this. When hunger is beyond your level, you'll comment like this. Don't worry. We know how to deal with you guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Mr. James, I don't know what you mean, how much to join. What do you mean? There's nothing you're joining here, bro. There's nothing you're joining here, Chief. There's nothing you're joining here. If you need to know about my services, you can go on my social media platforms. You can find them out. Because now me explaining, it's another different situation. You know, I'm just going to explain to you, Gori, my account management starts from 10,000 Rand. Someone is going to come and comment and say, hey, what? You understand? So, that's how it is. Do you want to make money or do you want to make money? You're in debt right now. You're trying to get out of debt right now. Drop down your ego and come to landlord. Simple. Drop down your ego and come to landlord. Let's leave the things of who's praising me, who's not praising me, what, guys. Let's focus on making money. What's the minimum for account management? It's 10,000 rand. 10 with 3 zeros at the end, bro. What's the target for the account? It's 50,000 to 100,000. Very easy. Very easy. That's how it is. If y'all think I'm a scammer, I'm what, very good. You understand? Like, why do all these people do not comment? Now I need to go and expose people who are in my account management. And I will do so, don't worry. I will do so, chief. Because now, by the end of the day, you're going to say we are running. What is the split? It's 50-50, dog. By the end of the day, you guys are going to say, we are running away from something. Let me show you. I do not talk about something which I do not know. Just now I'm battling. Which green screen is the one here? Why are we having these things now? Okay. Guys, how do I add to my green screen here? This is the work. I'm just showing the work. I'm just showing the work right now. You can be inspired or you can hate. Simple. Look at the entries that we take. Those are entries which we take. So now I'm going to expose these people because now they think they are smart. They think they are smart. They're just going to withdraw from our account management and not say anything and act like nothing happened. You know? While least my work is good. So now I'm just showing you. Just showing you. Withdrawals. Here's a withdrawal right here. That's a withdrawal. Here's another withdrawal. Look at how much is there. That's a client. That's a client withdrawing, as you can see. That's a client. Now tell me if I'm lying. Tell me if I'm lying. These are withdrawals right here. Tell me if I'm lying. Understand? These are withdrawals right here. But guys, do not come to account management if you are a crybaby. Understand? That's one I'll repeat up until Jesus comes back. Never come for account management if you're a crybaby. Because I do not work with guys who are always expecting the good stuff. When we lose, hey, now it's my fault. So I do not work. That is my issue.